We felt like the mattress we had was old. It was old. It was probably 15 years old. I was constantly having to prop my pillows up, which I didn't like. And, we tried spinning it around and doing all the different things, and we finally said, it's time.
Yeah. I mean, it was not so comfortable anymore. Like, it just didn't feel like I was getting a good night's sleep, and for sure it was, time to get a new mattress.
The quality that we saw when we went to the shop and the experience that we had with the manager there was exceptional. We liked it because, one, it was made in the USA. They were local to us. We really liked that part of it, and made up in Portland, Maine.
Yeah, the value of this mattress is tremendous, because when you compare it to other places, to get all of that at the similar pricing to what we saw in other spots, so.
Compared to a big box store, and we had done some shopping around, total different experience, a lot more of a personal touch, and they cared.
Yeah, I would say that when we walked in the doors, she was so welcoming and so informative. She took a lot of time with us. She walked us through every mattress that we might be interested in, really educated us on how the mattresses are built and why you might sleep the way that you do on certain mattresses.
She went through all the ways the mattresses are made, the differences in the mattresses, spent the time for us to try every mattress literally in the shop. In fact, she says, I want you to just lay there for a little while. I'm gonna walk away, let you two talk amongst yourselves, and see if you really do like it. And I thought that was excellent, and that helped us solidify our decision.
We did, and we marched around that store because there was a couple ones that we liked, so we just kind of kept going back and forth.
There was no pressure, no sales gimmicks.
Definitely a no pressure sale, for sure. She wanted to make sure that we were gonna buy a mattress that was the one that we wanted, so that when it came time, we were really comfortable with the decision we made.
I left there feeling a lot more educated about mattresses. I didn't know what went into the manufacturing of mattresses, and she cared very much.
We chose the booth bay combo because it has the different layers of foam, so it's got the most comfort in terms of the pocketed coils, and then the foam, and then the cooling foam on top of it. And so when we lied on the booth bay combo, for me it was like, this is the one. You just knew it was the right mattress. So
yeah, I agree. It was a good fit. We even bought new pillows. Everything just worked out, and the price, when we looked at it, was very competitive to all other mattresses, and we thought we were getting a lot better quality in overall value for the bed, especially with the buying experience.
Yeah.
And
feeling confident in the decision that we made. We didn't just spend a few minutes on each bed and then kind of go for the best one they had and hope that's the right bed for us. And they definitely are great in terms of value compared to other options, for sure.
Yeah, and I had mentioned to her how I have to prop pillows up, and she goes, oh, we have a solution for that. And she showed us the adjustable bed, and that was just amazing. And we're very happy that we chose that option. Well, the Split King we chose because it marries up to the adjustability of the frame, and so that you can independently adjust each side, which we like. There's even a snore button on here that
I'll be using for him.
And you.
Yeah.
So it's exciting. We feel confident we made the right decision, and looking forward to
good night's
spending
sleep.
some time.
All right, today we're going to be making some Booth Bay Combo Twin XLs, and what a Booth Bay Combo is a pocketed coil mattress, and we layer it with memory foam and latex foam. Starting with the pocketed coil, I start by assembling the bottom first, so this is actually going to be the bottom of the mattress. We use 1-inch poly foam. We glue that down. What's kind of cool too is that the glue that we use is water-based. It goes on wet, but once the water evaporates, it forms the seal. Then I'm going to put a cover over it and hog ring that up. Memory foam's the first layer on. Final layer is latex, and then the cover. It's got both foams in it, memory foam and latex. It's actually one of our more popular beds. The quilted cover is actually 2 pieces of Dacron. There's a fire barrier in there, but it gives it a little bit of loft and an extra, probably inch of comfort. This is the cover that was cut earlier by Denise. I'm wrapping the border around the mattress. It's a generic length, and so we're determining where the cutoff is, and then I'm going to serge it on that machine to get the correct height. What we're doing with this machine is we're actually sewing the bed. We assembled it over there, and now we're wrapping it with a border. We're sewing it with tape edge, and the head of the machine goes around this table. Top and bottom, you have to go around both sides to lock it in. And you can see once I sew everything together, it should kind of end up looking like that. When we're done sewing it to protect it, we're going to put a plastic bag on it. And we're going to seal it with an iron so nothing can get in. This is the second half of that king order. King is basically 2 twin extra longs put together. And we can make them this way with 2 twin extra longs, or we can make it one piece like a king. Customer chose to do 2 pieces because they're getting power foundations. So when one partner is laying flat, the other partner can raise their head or their foot up, and they can both be in the same bed. And finally, we'll label it with the customer's name so our delivery guys know which bed to grab. This is going to go out tomorrow. We tend to make our beds the day before we deliver them.
One of the nice things is that they custom make the mattress for us, and the lead time was remarkable. So within weeks, we're sitting on the mattress that we actually picked out, which is great. So we know that they made it just for us.
Yeah, the guys who delivered it today said this was made 24 hours ago, and that's pretty cool. And we were told the delivery time, and they hit it right on the head. They were great. The delivery guys, the 2 of them, came in first, inspected where the bed was going to go, asked us some questions, and then brought the individual components in, set everything up, cleaned everything up, all the trash that was generated. Polite, courteous. We had one little issue. We noticed that the bed frames were a little bit off in height. They got right on that, and they figured the adjustments on that bed frame.
Yeah,
perfect.
they were very knowledgeable about the beds for sure. So they knew right how to set it up, and super efficient, really friendly. And they took our old mattress away, which was great.
Yeah.
And the nice thing is that it gets donated. All mattresses that are in good condition actually get donated, which is really nice. So it doesn't fill a landfill, which makes me happy.
Answered all of our questions. It was just really a great process, and we're very happy with the decision we made.
Sorry, I had to lie down. I couldn't just sit. This is great.
Nice, yeah.
I love it. We'll have our mattress for years to come, so it's a big decision, and it's something you spend half your life on. So for us, it was a big deal. And they did. They really took the time to make sure we got the mattress that was definitely the right one for us.
Yeah, we are big believers in buying local. It just helps the local economy and the people in the area, and that made a big difference to me as well.
Yeah, absolutely. The fact that it's made, within 50 miles from us is great, and it's made by hand craftsmen, who are paying attention to detail, and and I think buying locally was, a really big factor in terms of our purchase.
Yeah, we actually saw pictures of the people that made it.
Yeah.
So that was pretty cool.
Yeah, they gave us a bag of coffee and a thank you card with signatures of everybody in the organization, which is a really nice touch.
Yeah, I would recommend Portland Mattress Makers to anyone. It's just been a great experience, and I think others would really benefit.